Have you ever wondered the health benefits and the uses of African star apple Udara? Stay tuned to the end to know everything about Udara fruit. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If today is the first day you're joining the channel, you are welcome to the family and you're always coming back. I really appreciate you. The African star apple is a sweet and sour fruit with pink bulb inside. The fruit has a tough leather-like skin that can be green or dark orange depending on the ripeness. The fruit is native to tropical Africa and is common in Nigeria and Uganda. The east part of Nigeria calls it Udara, while the west part of Nigeria calls it Agbalomo. African star apple is high in vitamin C and natural antioxidants. When you buy this fruit from the market, you need to thoroughly wash this fruit so that they will be free from any kind of bacteria. Sometimes we even consume up to the back. I remember when we were still little, we go to the village square to wait for this fruit to fall down from the tree. Naturally, then we don't pluck this fruit. I don't know the belief behind it, but we just allow it to fall by itself. I also need to mention that Udara fruits are seasonal fruits. They are special fruits. You see them between the beginning of December, then by February ending or first week of March, the fruit is already gone. So it's a fruit you grab when you see them and then wait a long time again before you taste them. So it's really a special fruit. I must tell you guys, really a special fruit. So also, Udara has many types. There are some that are so sour, while there are some that are sweet. I believe that it depends on how this Udara was harvested. The ones that fell by themselves are usually sweet, while those that were forcefully plucked are usually sour, because we believe that the ones that fall by themselves were very ripened before they fell down, while those that are forcefully might not be well ripened before they were plucked. Despite this, there are also different species of Udara. There's one they call Wanu. Those ones are usually very sweet. And if you go to market, if you are in the east, like in Enugu, just ask them of Wanu and they will now give you the sweet Udara. There are different uses of African star apple. It can be eaten fresh, eaten and consumed to get the natural vitamin C, to the body. And the pulp, that's the inside, can be used to make juice. It can also be used to make jams, jams for eating our breads and all that. Then it could also be used for syrups. And it could also be used for soft drinks. Yes, it could be used for soft drink. Then the oil from the seed is used for medicine purposes. You see, this fruit is a very useful fruit. So I think we make use of it now. It's still the season because I'm making this video around January and the Udara is very much available now. So we could get this and actually make proper use of this fruit now. I want to show you guys something about Udara. I bought this Udara in Enugu here in the city. Look at these ones still with the sticks. It was plucked, and when I tested them, they were so sour. So when going for Udara, try and buy the ones that don't have this. Those ones fell by themselves, and these ones are presumed to be sweeter because they fell by themselves and they were well ripened. So if you're watching up to this moment, thank you for still watching. Let's now talk about the health benefits of this fruit. Do you know this fruit has so much health benefits? 1, the fruit is rich in vitamin C, which is good for skin and tissue healing. Number 2, do you know that this fruit is a natural antioxidant which helps prevent damage to the body caused by free radicals? Then 3 again, do you know also that this fruit is acidic? This fruit's acidic taste may help prevent vomiting during pregnancy. No wonder when during my pregnancies I will always buy this fruit and chew, and it will prevent me from vomiting occasionally. You know, there's so much more goodness to this fruit. Everything about this fruit is so much useful. The seeds from inside, apart from using it for medicine purposes, you can also wash it, dry it, and keep it for your kids for using for counters when you have little kids, or also use it for games. There's a game, Eche. You can use it for this game. You know, this fruit, no part of it is ever thrown away. It's so useful. And also the inside of this fruit, apart from being juicy, apart from being sweet, it could, when chewed for a long time, it turns into chewing gum, which is natural, without any preservatives or addition of sugar or whatever, which is healthy for your teeth and your health. Thank you so much, Canary King, for suggesting this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also I'm sending my hugs and kisses to all my friends that used to watch this, especially they are not Africans but they enjoy watching African cultures, African foods, African videos. I really appreciate you guys so much. I'm sending my hugs and my kisses to you all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much too. You see, now you've known everything about this fruit. The uses cannot be overemphasized. The health benefits cannot be overemphasized. It's very healthy to the body, and it's a necessary fruit. So while the fruit is still in season, let's rush and grab this fruit. Let's rush and grab it for our health purposes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye, and see you in my other video.